What should I cook? No, not that.
Oh,
Yeah, cool molds. Let's make
ice cream.
awesome ice cream. To do this, we will need fruits and berries. First, we'll cut some blueberries. Perfect! Now take an avocado. The green part of this fruit is bitter, and we don't need it. We will make small pieces and put them next to blueberries. Watermelon is next in line. What a fragrance! It's so sweet and juicy. Now, let's add some mango. If you do it like this, you'll have some squares and it'll be very convenient to cut it. Congratulations! We will be able to make ice cream of 4 different flavors. And check out each one. Let's divide the ingredients by color, add milk and sugar to make a puree in a blender. Beautiful! Now we need to put it through a sieve. Stir the puree with a spoon to make it faster. It's much better this way. Next, we need some gelatin. It can be easily removed from the water using forceps. It's time to light a fire and boil water to dilute our gelatin. Let's do this. Hooray! The water has boiled. We can remove the saucepan. Let's mix 4 ingredients into a new bowl. Mascarpone, milk, yogurt, and some whipping cream. A whisk will help us with this. And now we will add gelatin. It remains to pour it into bowls and mix it. One by one. Perfect! Finally, we can fill the forms. Each will have its own color. Filling it up. Carefully close it and send it to the freezer for half an hour. Ta-da! The ice cream is ready! Let's take it out. I want to find out how it tastes like. I'll take off the lids and put it on a plate. Wow, I like this ice cream. And the other flavors too. Awesome.
Yummy.
Thank you, friends. Put a like if you liked this video. Share it with your friends and make ice cream together. I invite you to subscribe to my channel to learn more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Bye everyone!